Should I put this in the back? It's like a blizzard up here. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna put that QR code on the back of my car with my channel on it. Just because it's Christmas and maybe someone will be nice and subscribe to my channel. You wanna see so far?
Yeah.
Good morning, welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. It snowed last night. This is what we got. It's pretty icy outside. You know those people who don't actually wipe their car off from the snow, and when they... Hello?
Hi Chantel, it's Grandma Judy. What I called to find out is, do you know when the Packers are on? Sitting here by myself and I was going to watch football and I was looking for the Packers.
Anyway, I have to go to the gym because I haven't gone in a couple days. I also think I'm going to get a different steering wheel cover instead of having this tinsel. I think I'm gonna try to get like a red steering wheel. We gotta go to work out. I wanna get a good workout in, and yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. I've been sitting here and I was like, oh, the lot isn't bad, and then I watched like 30 people walk in to the gym. Everything is falling.
We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year,
all I did was the elliptical for about an hour.
we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow.
Oh, I forgot to turn my lights off. Now we're gonna go to Walmart. I gotta get that new steering wheel cover. Walmart did not have any steering wheel covers. The ones that they did have were not the best. I'm going to Menards to see if they have anything, because they just didn't at Walmart. Frustrating story. We did not find a steering wheel cover. No steering wheel cover was found today. Today's vlog was kind of weird. I didn't do much today. I feel like, well, I did, but like I didn't vlog much. I got a bunch of holiday snacks, so probably in tomorrow's vlog it's gonna be trying different holiday snacks and rating them, because what's more fun than trying holiday candy and treats? And I found a couple cool ones I've never seen before, so promise you it'll be more entertaining than today's. I went to a Mexican restaurant after I went to the gym, so basically canceled that out. I had to get my cat some food. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Chantel, why are you vlogging in a dirty mirror? Well, I had these window clings. I put those ones up just to see if it will stay. When I decided I want to deck my car out, I got these. This one is my favorite. It has like the little hot chocolate cup. Anyway, you can't really tell, but I showed you guys these ones, the snowflakes and everything. I have an idea that I want to put the window clings up on my mirror. So I need to, first of all, I need to clean my window. That is the first thing I'm gonna do. But I wanted to put these up. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Since I have tint on my car windows, I just said heck with it, and I already had enough stuff in my car. I kept these, and I'm not gonna return something that's $2 a piece. Like, that's just like whatever with $2. Anyway, so I'm gonna hang these ones up. cactus tipped over and the dirt went all over the side over there. So I purchased this essential mist. Refill lasts up to 45 days. Let's open it. Okay. Oh. I'm like, you can change the adjustment. I'm gonna leave it over there as my new addition. While I went shopping today, I found a bunch of holiday snacks. So for my Vlogmas tomorrow, I am going to be taste testing different holiday candies, treats, snacks that I found while I was at the store today, and gonna rate them for you guys. If you guys have any Vlogmas ideas or suggestions, please feel free to let me know. I will try to go out of my way to give you guys great Christmas content. But like I said, thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.